Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto 5 online. First, you'll need to own a copy of Grand Theft Auto 5 on your preferred platform. Make sure your game is fully updated to the most recent version to access all the latest content and features. A reliable internet connection is absolutely crucial for a seamless and enjoyable online experience. Finally, you'll need to link your game to a Rockstar Games social club account, which is free and easy to set up. Once you're in the Grand Theft Auto 5 story mode, simply pause the game to bring up the menu. From there, you'll see an online tab. Select it to reveal your multiplayer options. Choose Play Grand Theft Auto Online to jump right into the action. You can then decide whether to join a public session with other players, connect with your crew, or start a private, invite-only session with friends. After entering Grand Theft Auto Online, you'll likely go through a brief tutorial that introduces you to the basics of the online world. Your main goal will be to earn in-game money and reputation points by completing a wide array of jobs and activities. Use your earnings to acquire exciting properties, customize powerful vehicles, and purchase an arsenal of weapons. There are countless activities, from high-speed races to intense deathmatches, ensuring endless fun. To truly maximize your Grand Theft Auto Online experience, consider joining or creating a crew. Playing with a crew offers bonuses and makes cooperative missions, like the thrilling heists, much more engaging. You can also invest in various in-game businesses, such as motorcycle clubs or CEO offices, to generate substantial passive income. Rockstar Games frequently releases new content updates, bringing fresh vehicles, missions, and challenges to keep the world dynamic and exciting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.